there's going to be a fado night, which includes some beautiful woman doing something while a guy looks intently at her. Here's where we're staying in Porto, like where they make port, where port is from. Also super nice. That's the Porto Old Greens. That was where Beth said, I'm getting one of those hats. Barrels of wine. And then Barcelona. Again, beautiful Hotel Jazz. Like 1 minute off Las Ramblas, the main street.
Scroll up some. Oh, nice.
Right?
Yeah.
And it sounds like our tour guide is quite familiar with architecture and beaches. And then that's the flamingo night. And then so it's really
Gonna have fun.
I know, it's gonna be amazing.
Really feels like we've got the nothing but net of old back.
That we've got the what?
Nothing but net of old back.
We definitely the goals that I've been paying attention to have been the N+1 touch,
yeah.
Right? And then just the easy pass into the open net, right? Except for Ollie's giant shot from halfway over the goalkeeper's head.